The O-ring is attached between the cartridge holder and the lock ring. It applies tension between the two components to prevent the ring from coming loose. Over time, the O-ring can fail and break. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cartridge holder from the Caulk Gun. The O-ring is located at the base of the thread on the cartridge holder. I'll remove the old O-ring and install the new one. The O-ring fits in a groove at the base, and I'll make sure it's installed in that groove. Now install the cartridge holder back onto the gun. And that's how you can install a new O-ring on your Caulk gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.